Privet.
Mabuhay.
Today, we were supposed to go somewhere far, but
We got busy.
you were just sleeping.
I was busy.
And it's already dark.
So now we are hungry.
You're hungry.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Okay, we're hungry. But what do you want to eat?
Burger.
Okay, I know a place. Let's go.
Oh yeah. A few inches later. Two hours later.
Now we're back from Burger King. How was the dinner?
It was challenge.
Really, nigga?
Challenge?
Usually I don't eat much like this.
It was just your snack. What can you say about the food?
It was good. I like this our favorite mushroom burger.
Of course it's good. It was a lot. And then we tried the chicken burger,
We tried the chicken cheese balls,
chicken fries. What else?
The
This
curly fries,
this
apple
unending
pie.
curly fries and
Apple pie was so nice.
yeah, I really like it. It's crispy in the outside and juicy in the inside. Of course, it is juicy in the inside.
But the apple pie is the best. I hope you enjoyed this video.
As much as she enjoyed the food. Sorry.
Until next time,
Paka.
paalam po!